Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. This is a special treat. I know it was for me. Hopefully it is for you guys as well. I got to actually see a 4600 car up and close. If anybody knows me, I'm a big fan of Ultra4, and I love the 4600 class and the 4500 class. So it was a special treat for me to be able to see Kendall Glines 4600 car from Lone Peak Collision. So definitely a big shout out to those guys for allowing it to get into the Salt Lake Off-Road Expo. It was great to see. I literally went over just about every inch of this car because I find this car absolutely amazing. So just so you guys know, I do have a 2013 Jeep JK that I want to turn something similar as this. So I did spend a lot of time looking at just about every inch of this car, like I said, because it fascinates me a lot. So big shout out again to Kendall and Lone Peak Collision, because I'm so happy that this car made it into Salt Lake Off-Road Expo. Thank you.